Hi viewers, welcome back to Easy Official Tutorial. Today we are back here with a new tutorial which is about voiceover. There are a lot of requests for creating a tutorial for voiceover. So today we will tell you purpose of voiceover, why we do voiceover and how we do voiceover. Both will be discussed in this tutorial. So what is voiceover? Actually, voiceover is a production technique for recording a voice over a pre-recorded video or over a still image. Why we use it? We can use it for characterization, like giving life to a fictional character. It can be real or imaginary. So acting skills are very important here. It can be used for narration, literally telling a story, like you are a spoken person and you are describing an event. It can be for an announcer, a classic excited tone that you might find on TV, on radio, and an advertisement. It can be an instructional, like clear, authoritative tone used to explain next action. So, these are some general purposes for which voiceover is used. Let's proceed toward how can we use voiceover. Subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all of our updated video, and don't forget to like our video. We are using Camtasia 9 for voiceover. Click on new project. So from here you can import your media. It can be a picture or it can be a pre-recorded video. I want to open this one video. When I click on it, drag it down. Now you have to click on this more option. Here you can see this voice narration. Click on it. From where you want to start your voice narration, your voice over, drag this cursor there on your timeline. Let's suppose I want to start my voice over from here. So I click on it and now I have to click on start voice recording. When I click on it, recording is started. Now I have to see the screen, and whatever is on screen I have to narrate it. I have to make voice over it. So this is called voice over. When I click on the stop button, click on save. See, your voice narration is added here. Now whatever you recorded, it will be narrated with your pre-recorded video. You can mute your video voice from here. Click on this audio track and then drag this gain to 0. So the voice of your video will be muted and the voice which you created over it, which you recorded over it, it will be played with this video. You can edit your voice, you can change its speed, you can change its frame size from here. Like see, it clip speed, there are some properties shown. See speed, minutes, seconds, all these properties you can change these. All these properties are available, you can change it according to your requirements. So with this our tutorial ends. If you have any question, any queries, or if you have any suggestions, kindly comment in a comment section. Stay in touch, stay happy, keep viewing and keep sharing. Thank you. Subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all of our updated video, and don't forget to like our video.